Pronoun. What is pronoun? A pronoun is used in place of a specific noun. A pronoun is a word that replaces noun in a sentence. Pronoun क्या होते हैं? Pronoun नाउन के प्लेस पे कभी कभी यूज किए जाते हैं और कभी कभी वो नाउन को रिप्लेस भी कर देते हैं. एग्जाम्पल, जेनिफर इज अ गुड गर्ल. शी गेट्स अप अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग. So as you can see in this sentence that we have used Jennifer and after that हमने she use किया है. Jennifer again use नहीं किया है. That means Jennifer was a name of a person which was a noun. Now we have just replaced that noun with pronoun that is she. Alright. So here you do need not to mention Jennifer again. Instead of Jennifer you can write she. So these things are known as pronoun. Now we'll study more about pronoun by knowing the types of pronoun. So here we are talking about the types of pronoun. So we have in total 7 types of pronoun. The first one is subject pronoun, then we have possessive pronoun, then we have interrogative pronoun, then we have relative pronoun, then we have object pronoun, intensive pronoun and demonstrative pronoun. So in totality we have 7 types of pronoun. So let's move forward to know about types of pronoun. So first type of pronoun is subject pronoun. These pronouns work as the subject of the verb in a sentence. A subject pronoun replaces the subject or object of the previous sentence. जो subject pronoun होते हैं वो replace करते हैं previous sentence में subject या object को. Example, John is a good writer. He told a good story. So in this you can see that he is the subject that is being replaced with John in the first sentence. Alright. So this is how we know that this is a subject pronoun. Up next we have possessive pronoun. Possessive pronoun replaces the noun of the possessive adjective. In possessive pronoun क्या होता है? वो replace करती हैं noun of possessive adjective. वो adjective को replace करती है. जैसे your, my, her, his, like that. ठीक है? Let's see the example to understand better. Is it yours? Those books are ours. These words demonstrate the ownership. हमारे पास जब भी हम possessive pronoun की बात करते हैं तो यहाँ पे ownership की बात होती है. Because हम जब बात करें is it yours, this is mine, so it's like we are talking about the ownership. Alright. Then we have interrogative pronoun. As the name suggests, and you already know that interrogative means something which is in questionable form. So interrogative pronouns produces a question. They are like what, which, who, whom and whose. Examples can be what is your name, which is your favorite sport, and these pronouns demonstrate a question. As I told you, interrogative means they ask question. Up next we have relative pronoun. These pronouns describe something more about the subject or the object. These pronouns introduce the relative clause. They are used to make clear that what is being talked in a sentence. Relative pronoun हमेशा sentence में clarity को बताते हैं कि किस चीज़ के बारे में बात की गई है. As you can see in the examples. Now the examples can be a person who loves a dog is a good person. So here you can see a clause is being connected to a noun, that is who. Alright, so that is relative pronoun. Up next we have object pronoun. This form of pronoun is used after preposition. Always remember this is used after preposition. Object pronouns work as the object or indirect object in a sentence. ऑब्जेक्ट प्रोनाउन या तो बिल्कुल ही वर्क करती है इनडायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट में या फिर ऑब्जेक्ट की तरह. ठीक है. एग्जाम्पल, टेल हर यू विल टेक द जॉब. सो हियर यू कैन सी दैट यू आर इनडायरेक्टली सेइंग समथिंग to someone to taking care of that job or to take up that job. So here her is an object pronoun. Alright. Then up next we have intensive pronoun. These pronouns add importance but do not act as the object in this sentence. ये जो pronoun होते हैं ये importance तो add करते हैं but object की तरह act नहीं करते इस sentence में. They can appear right after the subject. कभी कभी they can appear right after the subject. Example, We intend to do all the work ourselves. So here you can see ourself is an intensive pronoun because these add emphasis on the subject. Alright. Then we have demonstrative pronouns. Demonstrative pronouns normally indicate the closeness or distance from the speaker either literally or symbolically. This, that, those and these are some demonstrative pronouns. So demonstrative pronoun क्या होती है? या तो वो directly या indirectly या कभी कभी symbolically वो represent करती हैं किसी भी चीज़ को, closeness को या distance को from the speaker. Example, this is my house. So here you can see the pronouns indicate that the car belongs to the person and is very much closely related to the speaker. Because when I say this is my house, that means this house belongs to me. वो बहुत ही close है मुझसे. तो demonstrative pronoun हमेशा closeness या फिर distance को बताता है जो कि speaker के context में.